and cleaning them and working them and cleaning them until.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, send me your nice comments, most of all, share and subscribe. If you want to reach out to me, hit me up on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So we took these intakes off. If you watched my video of removing your turbocharger on your 3.0 Sprinter, and you watched my video of us removing the intakes, now we're getting down to the cleaning part. Removing the butterflies was pretty easy. What we did was we took a small pair of needle nose pliers from the back and pinched them and pushed them out not to break them. The next thing we did was we just started cleaning. I mean, they were filthy. Now these move really well. The other side, which was my problem side, did not move at all. I just wanted to give you kind of the heads up on that we were actually able to take a pair of channel locks and move them right here. You don't want to bend the butterflies, so you prefer not to move them from in there. You've got more leverage. They're not working yet. We're hoping to get the carbon out of here. That's why they talk about replacing the intake and that you don't service it. We're going to service it because we don't want to spend $800 per side on these intakes. And it's just a buildup. I mean, everything in here, if you got a parts washer, throw them in there, let them soak overnight. We got a parts washer, but it's got stuff all over the top of it because we got a VW tore apart. So we're just cleaning right now and taking all the gook and nastiness out of the inside of it and cleaning them up to make them work properly. We didn't have that much play on our casters that move our intake. We didn't have real big holes out of there. There was a little bit of play. We might be able to take that up with a made brass bushing or something like that. We'll kind of get to that point at the end. But I just kind of wanted to give you that heads up. You can take channel locks and move these back and forth. Try cleaning them a little bit first before you start moving them because you're trying not to damage it, but we do know that carbon got up inside there. We haven't quite figured out how, if we could pull these out. And you notice I tried to pull one of them out and the tab broke on me. And I'm assuming if you pull that out, it pulls the rod out and the rod sticks inside the middle of the butterfly. So if you were able to pull them out, then you'd probably get the butterfly out of there and maybe we could put it in the sandblaster. We're going to do that, and if I can show you that, I will. We're going to work on it a little bit, and I'll show you if we can actually pull them things up out of there.